Want to hide and lock your private photos and videos on your Samsung phone? In this video, I'll show you how to lock an album in Samsung Gallery using Secure Folder. Open the Gallery app. Go to Menu. Open Settings. Tap the version number 10 times. Enable Album Entry Lock. Restart your Gallery app. Select the album you want to lock. Select Lock Album. This way, you can lock any of your personal photos or videos if you want.